Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
perfect. Okay. So in today's session, we are going to learn about SQL Server functions, right? So in the previous sessions, we have learned about the store procedure. Okay. So in this video, we are going to talk about the functions. What is the function? What is the use of it? And why should we use the SQL functions? Okay. So I have some theory part and there is some technical glitch on my machine. Okay, actually not technical glitch, but my SQL Server version is expired. Okay, so we'll do this implementation on Sumo's laptop. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the straightforward, the SQL function is same like your store procedure. We have one more functionality in SQL that we can have the same like store procedures, we can have the function. Okay, so what is the use of functions? What is there are as if you compare with the store procedures, there's always two types of the store procedures, right? That one is user defined store procedures and one is system defined store procedures, right? The same way in function is also there's a two types of the functions, right? So one is system defined functions and one is user defined functions. User defined function means that we are going to write as per our business requirement. Okay, the same way there is a system defined function. So first we'll understand few system defined functions, so this will give you the some idea. Okay, so what is the functions, because that functions you already used. Okay, so you will get some glimpse that what is the functions actually, and then you'll get sense that how we can write on top of this our user defined function. Okay, so let me know, do you know this function is null,
Mm.
right? In our previous sessions we use this, right? So if I have any
Yeah.
let's say I have some column which is null, right? So if I want to handle this column name, let's say last name is null for my customer table, right? So how we can handle this is null, right? And if my last name
Mm.
is blank, and then I'll give some default value. Okay, maybe anything, right? uh, Last name not provided, something like that, or whatever the message that I can give here, right? So I can handle this is
Yeah.
how I can handle this. I can handle the is null value, right? Same way, let's say if I go and do select get date, and this is the function, what I will get from this?
Today's date.
Current date.
Correct, I will get the today's date or current date, right? So have you ever wondered, right, what is the logic they have written under this? Because this is system defined functions, right? That is ready to use, right? You not need to worry about these functions, right? What logic they have written inside, right? So you not need to worry about it, right? You just directly you are just going and directly using this get date, right? So this is the function, right? So this function is already given by
Yeah.
the SQL engine, right? So you not need to worry about that. You just go and use that in your whenever you need in your functions, right? So this is what the function. Okay, and if you can see for this function there is always bracket and you have to pass some parameters. So for is null you have to pass the column name, and second parameter you have to pass what the default value you want if that column value is null, right? So function is always for the function you have to give the bracket, and there will be parameters or there will not be parameters. So depends on that functions that parameter is required or not. Okay, so this is my parameter for is null. My first parameter is column value, and second parameter is what the default value that I want to give if the this column value is null, right? Same way for get date, there is no any parameter, right, required. Just only have to give this bracket and it will work. So based on the implementation part, okay, so based on the implementation part, you have to give the parameters, or sometimes you not need to give the parameters. Okay, so based on this, okay, now I will tell you what is the benefits of this. So get date you can use it anywhere whenever you want, get date whenever you want a current date. That times you just use these functions. You not need to worry about that implementation part, right? Whenever you want to handle the null value, you are just go and use this function, and you not need to worry about what is they implemented, what is the logic internally they have, right? You just go and use it. So the first benefits is, as usual, as I already said, for store procedure as well, right? So reusability, right? I can create one functions, and I can use anywhere in my code, in my projects, right? On database level. Got it? This is the first. And second is same like store procedure. It's in encapsulations, right? It's hiding the logic or any business logic or internal implementations, right? So for example, for get dates, I don't know what is the implementation inside for these functions, but I just simply use that get date functions and I get the outputs. I not need to worry about that implementation part, right? So this is how they implemented this. This is how we can implement the encapsulations, right? This is the oops concept. But just try to understand. Okay, so these are the two benefits for this function. Okay, there's multiple benefits, but for this session, for considering this context, we'll will not go in deeper. Okay, so now after understanding these system defined functions, we'll develop our user defined function. Okay, so for user defined functions, there is again two types. One is a scalar and one is table valued function. Okay, so what is scalar? That scalar is written one single value. Okay, and table valued means it will give the result set, like let's say select star from employee where is active flag is equal to, let's say, 1. So I'm getting all the active employees. Okay, so that is all result sets you will get, right? So that is table valued. And scalar value means, if you can see here in the get dates, when I go and do a select get date, I'm getting only single value, right? So that means a scalar value. So today we are going to understand about the scalar value function. Okay, so for that, okay, so we have generated one scenario. Okay, we have some customer and order data. Okay, so based on that, we'll first understand what is our requirement, and based on that, we'll develop one user defined function. Okay, scalar type user defined function. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So Soma, can you share your screen and just show me the customer data and order data?
Yeah.
I have to give access to you, right?
Yeah.
Multiple participant. Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes, I can see. There is already object named customer. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Soma, can you create one
So,
extra database so we not need to delete these things?
okay. One more database
Yeah. Okay.
with the same query.
Just a minute. I will give the query.
I didn't need you.
Take this. You run this on top of your customer table.
Okay. What should I do now?
Copy this. S- I, I
Okay.
I send
We
you that.
paste it under the customer table only? Or
Uh,
like, do I
no,
need to new
w-
query?
no, we'll create a new database. Okay, so just copy this create database command that I send in chat in Zoom
Mm-hmm.
meeting. Zoom meeting. Just copy that.
Yeah, I've copied.
Yeah, paste here in a customer before create customer command.
Customer table.
Yeah, sorry, customer table. Put there.
Here.
Correct. Enter. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Now can you execute? It should create e-commerce database. Execute this now. No, no, execute everything. It will work. Okay,
Okay.
good. Now you can create the database order and data. It will work.
Okay.
Now comment that create or yeah, okay. This is also fine. Yeah, select that and execute. Yeah. correct. So this is customer database, correct. Customer table, then order table, correct. Go down, insert customer.
Why have you? Oh, sorry. That is like you have commented that. Just this.
Correct. No, no, execute everything. Wait. Everything. Otherwise, duplicate data will
Okay,
come. Okay.
one
Yeah.
second.
Yeah.
No, why my hands are like.
Okay, no problem.
Why?
Just keep cursor at insert. Okay, no problem. Just keep
Yeah,
your.
yeah.
Hmm,
Okay. That is it.
hmm, hmm. Correct.
Yeah.
Good. Go to new window. Control N. Yeah. Do select star from customer and select star from order.
Yeah.
Okay. Sangram, we have to do join between the customer and order to get a meaningful data. Okay. So help Suma to write that query.
Okay.
Yeah. Correct. Execute this. Okay. So from this, instead of customer ID, I want a customer name and then order date and the total amount. And from the customer tables, you can take all that columns, right? Customer name, email, city, order date, and total amounts. Just do the join of these two tables.
Are you saying me, sir?
Yeah,
Seems
yeah.
like I have forgotten joints.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Been a
Select.
long time.
Yeah, no problem. Sangram is here.
Well,
Sangram, can you please help? Otherwise, I can help you guys. Don't worry.
Okay. Customer name
Select star from. Yeah, you have to take this first take
first.
star so that once you create the alias,
yeah.
it will be easy for you to type that. Okay.
Alias, yeah, it will
Yeah.
be yes.
Right. Select star from.
Customer.
Customer. Okay. And
You can give alias.
yeah. C. Okay.
Yeah.
Right join.
Keep
Uh,
No.
only join. Keep only
you
join.
can full.
Only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Join.
Join
Yeah.
by default. It's full join. Sangram. Right.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Join. Join.
Orders.
Join. Orders. O. You have to
Yes.
Right.
on
On.
customer ID.
Yes. C dot
Yeah.
customer ID is equals to O dot order ID.
Correct.
ID this right. Customer ID C. Anything is
Yeah.
fine. Right?
C
You
dot.
can take anything. C. C.
C dot
Is
customer
equal.
ID.
C dot customer ID.
Sorry, yeah.
No problem, Suma.
So long. C dot customer ID is equals to O dot.
Order ID.
Yeah.
Remove unnecessary columns. That
Okay,
is
I'll
not
just
ID
see.
column. That is not required. Yeah.
What all we need? Customer name.
Yeah.
Customer name, email, city, order date, and total amount.
Customer name.
Always use the alias name. That is best practice. Okay.
Alias.
Okay.
C dot customer name. I'll tell you the reason for that as well. Okay, so let's say tomorrow, in case in order table also there is a customer name, then your query will fail because ambiguity will come.
Yeah.
Okay. Email, do we need, sir? Email?
Yes,
No?
we can keep that. Okay. Dot order date.
Mhm. Total amount.
Yes.
Okay.
Incorrect
Star
syntax
remove
near the, yeah.
remove that star. Correct. So for customer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suma, can you show me the insert statement for the
Yeah.
order or for the orders? Yeah. There is 3 records for customer ID. 2. Go down. Down 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now go here. So why I'm getting only 5 records? Can you do select star from orders?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Now you both have to tell me what is the problem. Just
Yeah.
execute this both the statement, no problem. Select star from customer and select star from orders. Okay.
Okay.
Now just look at this data, right? For customer 1, Amit Sharma, there are the 3 orders, right? Order ID 1, 2, 3, correct? Correct.
Yeah.
So if I do a join on this customer join orders, I should get a 3 entries for customer 1, that is for Amit Sharma. For Sneha Patil, I should get the 2 entries after join,
Yeah.
right? Same for customer ID 3, right? But if you execute this, I'm getting only 5 records. Can you execute this again? The join part?
Yeah.
And I'm getting only 5 records. What is the problem now? You tell me. What is wrong with this query? I'm just giving you the hint. There is
Because we have not yet selected customer ID. Is it that? No, we have selected.
We are
that's fine. Select yeah,
we are
select this.
joining
Yeah, we are
customer
joining
IDs.
on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Um,
Then what is the problem in that query? Why I'm getting only 5 records? Why for customer 1 I'm not getting
Because
3 records?
customer ID is
Hmm?
similar. Customer ID is similar in customer and order table.
Yeah, right. Same.
That's
So
why we are
right, same. So I should get 3 entries na for customer ID 1, but I'm getting only 1 entry. What is the problem? Can you please check
yeah,
this
actually,
SQL
we
query
get like, yeah.
carefully? There is problem in SQL query. I'm just giving the hint to you guys. This is very basic. We have to understand this. Okay, I'm giving the next level hint to you guys. Okay, just check the join condition.
Condition.
okay. It is full join. That's why.
Huh.
The join is correct, but join
Yeah.
condition. What is the column that you have used in the join condition?
Okay, join orders.
Orders.
Order is correct. On
No.
after that you have used the condition, right? C dot customer
On.
IDs.
C
Yeah.
dot customer ID. Oh, sorry. It's customer ID. It's my fault. Yeah.
No,
Oh.
that's fine. Okay, we are learning. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, got it, Sangram?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because you have
Now
to do
it's
join on the same column, right? Customer, you said already, right?
Same.
Custom
Yeah.
from the customer table,
yeah.
customer ID, and you have to. Now you can see that I got the same results, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go and do next level. Can we do a customer name group by city? Forget leave the city now, leave the email ID as well, leave the order date as well. Okay. And I
Okay.
just want a group by customer name, and I want a total amount as a total spend by customer. Okay. So how we can do this? Group by,
By customer name.
correct. C dot
Yes.
customer name,
Custom.
C dot.
customer name.
Custom.
C dot customer name. Yeah.
Yeah, right. And now from the select list, you can remove this city, email ID, order date.
Okay. Total everything I have to remove.
No, order amount is required, right? Because we
Okay.
are going to
Total
do
amount. Yeah.
aggregations on that, right? So remove that.
Okay.
City,
Alright.
email and order date. Yeah. City, email and
City,
order date remove. Hmm. Okay. Now tell me, for total amount, it will not work, right? If you execute this,
No.
It should work.
No, execute this.
No?
Yeah, because you have to use the aggregation functions, right? So now what you are doing, you are aggregating
Ah.
customer
Yes.
name, but you have to give some aggregation function for total amount, right? Yeah. So what you will do, what aggregation function you will use? I want to
Ev-
find a total spend for this customer. So which aggregate function will you use?
Sum total.
Hmm,
Some.
correct. Use the sum there. No,
Um,
for a total amount in the select list, select only
yeah.
for
Select
Yeah.
list. Yeah.
Yes.
sum
Sum.
bracket close as
Yeah.
space as
Mm.
total spent.
Mm. Yeah.
Right?
Oh.
Good. Now based on this data, okay, now based on this data, what we are going to do, we are going to write a logic. Okay, so let's say there is a total spent is 58,000, 55,000, 60,000, 19,000 and 55,000. So we have to write a logic. Okay, so if let's say if someone is spending 60,000 or more than 60,000, that will be my gold customer. If someone is spending between 20,000 to 59,000, okay, then that will be my bronze, okay, sorry, silver customer. And those who are spending less than 20,000, those will be my bronze customer. Okay, so I have to give based on the whatever the total spent by the customers, I have to categorize all these customers. Okay, right, I have to categorize these customers, okay, into that categories, bronze, silver and gold. Okay, so based on that I can give the good discount to these customers, right? So that's Amazon's strategy. Or if you go to any shop, right, so based on whatever if you do more shopping, they will give the more discount, right? So that is their marketing strategy. So now for this data we have to do some logic, to get that category, right? So if in current case, right, let's say I want to do this category, how I can do this? I can simply add this data into my temp tables, and based on the total spends I can write one case condition, right? We have learned, right, case conditions. When the total spend is greater than let's say greater than or equal to 60,000, then uh, gold and something like that, right? So we'll write that logic as well here. Okay, so just go to line number 4. Okay,
Here. Yeah.
yeah. So before from, can you go to from,
Yeah.
enter one more time? Yeah. and above from just write into hash temp. So it will add this
Into?
data into hash temp.
Into, okay.
Yeah, into space hash temp.
Hash temp.
Yeah, temp table.
Can you spell it for
Just
me,
just the
please?
hash symbol.
Okay. Okay, okay, got it. Okay.
Oh,
And temp.
okay.
Temp, okay.
Yeah, temp. Yeah, temp
Okay.
temp database. Temporary.
TEMP.
Temp, okay,
Temporary.
temp, okay.
Temporary.
Yeah,
Yeah, execute this now.
okay. Yes.
Correct. Now can you write select star from hash temp?
Oh,
Execute now. Correct. So far so clear. Any doubt, confusion, Sangram, Suma?
no, sir.
What's up?
Right, we have did aggregations and we have put all these result set into my temp table. Now going forward, I will use this temp
Yep,
table
yes.
to write my logic. Now just after that star, okay, Suma, we have to write a case statement to categorize these customers. Okay, so after star, okay,
Yeah, here?
yeah, after star, okay, comma,
Yeah,
yeah, case, CASE case,
yes, yeah.
space, when,
Yeah.
when, total spent,
Bill spent.
is greater than or equal to 60,000.
Equals to 60,000.
Yeah,
Okay.
then space, then single quote, gold, right, gold,
Okay.
ठीक है, space, when,
Yeah.
when, total spent, between, space, between,
Yes.
between 20,000 and 59,000,
And like
space and A and D, yeah, space,
okay. Okay.
space, 59,000,
Yeah.
then single quote, space, single quote, silver. Okay, next, after this comma, space,
Yeah.
else, space, single quote, bronze. ठीक है, after this single comma, space, end,
And
end, end, end,
the end. Okay.
yes, end, and give alias name
Yeah.
as category.
As category.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, just break down the code into the 2 or 3 lines
Yeah.
just to understand properly. Just enter the case statement.
This is fine.
Yeah, just take from in next line from hashtag.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so it will easy to readability
Mm.
point of view. Just enter again a case statement, first line, just enter case
This
statement,
one.
new line. Yeah,
One. Mm.
right? So this is from the readability point of view, it's easy to understand, right? So
Yeah.
when case total spent is 60,000, it's a gold. When in between 20 to 59,000, it becomes silver, and for other it will be bronze. So now tell me what will be the outside before executing this, what will be the result set for sorry, what happened? Okay, no problem. So what will be output for this? For Amish Sharma, what will be the category?
Amit Sharma.
Maybe silver.
Silver.
Right. For Priya,
Yeah.
same.
Yeah.
Okay. For Ravi, it will
It will be gold.
correct. And then for Sneha, it will be bronze, right?
Yeah.
And for Vikram, again, it will be silver. Now execute this. Only this part, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you can say that. So now what is our requirement? Okay. Now you might be wondering why we are writing this logic, why all that stuff, right? We are learning the SQL function and why we are writing all this stuff, right? So just imagine this is the internal logic, right? Maybe it is internal formula of Amazon, right? So they want to categorize their customer based on the spend, but they don't want to tell the criteria to us, right? So this is the criteria that we have decided, right? If the customer is spending 60,000, it should be like gold, something like that, right? But what if so this logic, okay? So now what we will do, we'll write this logic in our function. We'll create one function, okay? Let's say categorize the customer. So we'll write our function, we'll write this logic in our function, and we'll call this function here. You got it? So whatever
Yes,
this
sir.
logic we have written for this category, so we'll not write this logic here. Instead of that, we'll write this logic in function, and we'll call this function here simply like select get date, right? I'm getting directly the get date. So simply I will not worry about this logic. Simply I will put the customer ID or customer name for that function, and I want directly the category of that. So whatever the logic, this logic, it will go inside the function. Here only I will call this function and I want that result sets, right? So I not need to worry about it, right?
No.
Make sense?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
perfect. So we'll take a 5 minutes break and we'll implement that function. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.